So you can talk, Luke Skywalker? Can't you? Oh man, I broke my dad's invention! My dad is gonna be real mad. Are you okay? Ah! Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks for saving me. I had to break the thing so it won't explode you. The villain is poor evil. Poor evil. Per evil. Huh. Guy get on my nut. Man, a bad guys get on my nerves sometimes, don't they? Yeah. What is Zane? Oh, he went to go strike down the bad guy. I watched it. I cannot let my brother die like this. We all need to team up. It's not gonna be only Zane. It's gonna be his brother too. It's gonna be fine. Such a loon.